Ever feel like you're stuck with English? Like you understand a little, but when it's time to speak, your mind just goes blank? Or maybe you've been trying for years, but you still hesitate, still fear judgment? Let me tell you something very honestly. You are not alone. I've been there too. And guess what changed it for me? Not expensive classes, not heavy grammar books, just one smart tool and one promise to myself. I will give just 15 minutes daily to my English, no matter what. That tool was ChatGPT, and those 15 minutes, they changed my life. If I can do it, so can you. Let's start this journey together. Let's talk from the heart. English is not just about tenses and grammar. It's about confidence, about believing you can communicate with the world. In today's world, English opens so many doors. For better jobs, for education, for travel and online work, and most importantly, for your self-confidence. But here's the truth. Most people give up because they don't know how to practice, or they're too afraid of making mistakes. Let me tell you something. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. And with ChatGPT, you can make unlimited mistakes, and it will help you improve every time with love and logic. So what is ChatGPT? It's an AI, an artificial intelligence, that talks like a real person. But more importantly, it acts like your personal English teacher, a patient speaking partner, a daily vocabulary trainer, and your biggest cheerleader. It never gets tired, never judges you, never laughs at you. You can tell it, correct my sentence, teach me 5 new words, ask me English grammar questions, or even, let's practice a conversation about shopping or job interviews. It's like having your own English coach for free and available 24/7. Now let's get into the method I followed, and the exact one you can follow too. Here's your day 1 to day 5 plan. We're going to build your English foundation step by step. Don't worry if you're a beginner. Even if you're intermediate, this will boost your base and remove hesitation. Just 15 minutes a day. I call this the Power 15 method. Spend this time on ChatGPT. Say, correct my sentence. He go to market. ChatGPT replies, he goes to the market. Repeat the corrected sentence 3 times aloud. Say, ask me 5 grammar questions using present tense. It will ask, you answer. It corrects you gently. Say, give me 5 new English words with meaning and sentence. For example, word, confident, meaning, believing in yourself. Sentence, I feel confident when I speak English now. Speak every line out loud. This is the most powerful tip. Reading silently helps you understand, but speaking aloud builds your fluency. Bonus prompts you can use with ChatGPT. Teach me English like I'm a complete beginner. Act like an English coach and help me improve speaking. Let's practice a short daily conversation. These 15 minutes every day are like planting seeds in your mind. In 5 days, you'll already feel the change. More confidence, better sentence structure, and less fear. Because no matter how slow you go, you are still ahead of everyone who's not trying. This is Mehar, and I believe in you. Let me explain something powerful. Fluency is like a muscle. The more you speak, the stronger it gets. And the best part? You don't need a partner. You just need practice with feedback. That's where ChatGPT becomes your speaking gym. Here's how to train fluency, step by step. Daily conversation. Practice 5 to 10 minutes. Ask ChatGPT. Let's practice a conversation about going to a restaurant. You act as a shopkeeper, I'm the customer. Let's talk in English. It will guide you through the full conversation and correct your mistakes. Other topics you can try: talking on the phone, interview practice, asking for directions, booking a hotel, doctor-patient conversations. These are real-life situations that boost confidence like magic. Hink in English. Challenge 5 minutes a day. Say to ChatGPT, I want to start thinking in English. Give me 5 thoughts for today. Example thoughts. I need to buy groceries. I'm going to take a shower. What should I wear today? It's too hot outside. I'm feeling lazy. Then speak these out loud to yourself. This is how you train your brain to switch from your native language to English, naturally and automatically. Ask ChatGPT. Let me describe my day. Please correct my English. Say something like, today I wake up late. I go for a walk and then eat breakfast. It will correct. Today I woke up late. I went for a walk and then had breakfast. Do this every evening, and you'll be shocked at how quickly your sentence making improves. Fluency is not just about grammar, it's about expressing feelings. You need vocabulary that connects with real emotions. So here's what to ask ChatGPT. Teach me 5 emotional English words with meaning and examples. Nervous feeling, worried, or afraid. I get nervous during interviews. Grateful feeling, thankful. I'm grateful for this opportunity. Use each word in your own sentence and speak it out loud. This is one of my favorite techniques, and you'll love it. Roleplay is when you pretend to be in a situation. With ChatGPT, you can roleplay anything. Ask, let's roleplay. I am giving a presentation, and you are the audience. Let's roleplay a job interview. You're a waiter, and I'm ordering food. ChatGPT replies like a real person. You practice back and forth. You learn natural phrases, vocabulary, and tone. This builds your confidence and prepares you for real conversations. Look, I know some of you still feel nervous. You might be thinking, what if I fail? What if I mess up? But let me tell you something very important. Progress is not about being perfect. It's about being brave enough to start and consistent enough to keep going. You've completed the foundation phase. Now you're learning to speak, to express, to feel confident in English. If you're here right now, it means you've already completed 2 powerful phases: foundation building fluency and conversation practice. You've made it to the final stage, the last 10 days of our 30-day English transformation. Simple English is great, but if you want to sound confident in interviews, meetings, or presentations, you need powerful words. Ask ChatGPT. Give me 5 powerful vocabulary words with meaning and examples. Articulate means able to express clearly. She's articulate when speaking in meetings. Enthusiastic means very excited or passionate. I'm enthusiastic about learning English. Reliable means someone you can trust. A reliable employee always delivers on time. Adaptable means able to adjust to new things. In any job, being adaptable is important. Use them in your own sentences. Speak out loud. ChatGPT will help you improve instantly. Now we go into real-life use of English. If you want to apply for jobs, study abroad, or even just express yourself confidently, this is your part. Let's practice a job interview. You be the interviewer, I will answer. Common questions. ChatGPT will ask, tell me about yourself. Why should we hire you? What are your strengths and weaknesses? You can also say, give me feedback on my answers. Improve my response for a better impression. Do this daily, even if just for 10 minutes. You will feel more prepared with each day. Public speaking practice. Ask, give me a topic for a short speech in English. Give me a 1-minute speech about self-confidence. Then read it out loud and record yourself. Ask for ChatGPT to make the speech easier or more advanced, depending on your level. Writing practice. Ask, give me a short paragraph writing task and check my answer. Example prompt. Describe your favorite memory in 5 sentences. ChatGPT will correct grammar and give tips. This builds your writing power, perfect for IELTS, emails, or daily writing. Let me tell you the truth. Learning English is easy. Staying consistent? That's the real challenge. But I found a simple method. I call it the 3-3-3 system. 3 minutes vocabulary, 3 minutes conversation, 3 minutes correction and feedback. Ask ChatGPT. Let's do a 3-minute chat about daily life. Correct my paragraph and explain my mistakes. Use a notebook or Google Doc to track your daily tasks. Day 21, conversation about health. Day 22, vocabulary about emotions. Day 23, interview question practice, and so on. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated and focused. Even if you miss one day, don't quit. Come back stronger the next. You might be wondering, okay, Aaliyah, what do I do after these 30 days are over? Great question. You continue. Now you're not a beginner anymore. You're not even intermediate. You're someone who has momentum. Here's how to keep going. Set weekly goals. Week 1, improve storytelling. Week 2, learn 20 new business words. Week 3, speak on 5 different topics. Talk to ChatGPT like a friend. Ask, let's chat about movies, food, news, life lessons, motivation. Teach others, start helping your friends or younger siblings. When you explain to others, your learning becomes 10x stronger. Record and listen. Start making 1-minute voice notes. Talk about your day in English. Listen. Improve. Repeat. This isn't just 30 days of English. It's the start of a new lifestyle. You've made it. You've gone from confused, shy, and hesitant to someone who believes in themselves. From, I don't know how to speak English, to, I can learn anything, I just need a method. And the best part? You did it all with just your phone, a little time, and the right mindset. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your fluency journey. Comment below. I finished all 3 parts. I'm proud of myself. Like this video, subscribe to Daily English Dose, and share this challenge with someone who's struggling. You could change their life. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave enough to start. And consistent enough to keep going. This is Mehar, your English learning partner. I'm with you every step of the way. Let's speak English with confidence. Together.